Good morning, Year 8 L1. Here we are on Monday the 8th of June. I'm wearing obviously my mask because two or three of you are definitely sniffing and looking funny. Okay, yes, it's definitely me. Right, okay, here we are. Lesson 3 of 5 lessons. First couple of lessons we have looked at Fibonacci sequences where we add the first two numbers to get the next number. Second lesson we were looking at predicting what comes next or finding missing numbers in the middle, which again most of you found quite easy. Today's lesson is going to stretch us just a little bit. Now in the next video you can see I've done a couple of examples from the worksheet, but I thought what I would do is I would go through a quick example here. If I've got 3, 8, 13, 18 as the first 4 terms in my sequence, the first thing I've got to do is to see how the numbers are changing. And you can see below I've drawn my little arcs and I'm adding 5 each time. So 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 5 gives me 18. And you can see there that what goes up in 5 since you were in primary school, what's your 5 times table? 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 3, 5 times 4, 5 times n. So n stands for its position in the sequence. But of course, the purple sequence there isn't my 5 times table, so I've written my 5 times table out above, 5, 10, 15, 20. And the next thing I've got to do is, what do I do to my 5 times table to get the sequence that I've got there? What do I do to 5 to make it 3, 10 to make it 8, and 20 to make it 18? Yep, hard looking at it upside down. The idea is I take away 2 from each of the numbers. So, whilst the red sequence is my 5 times table, so it's 5n, my purple sequence is 5n minus 2. It's 2 less than my 5 times table. Now, by getting this rule, we can now predict any of the numbers in the sequence. We've got 4 there. What would the next number be? The next number would be the 5th number. So if I substitute 5 where n is, the next number should be 5 times 5 minus 2. 25 minus 2, 23. And yes, it is. If I add 5 to 18, I get 23. So if you find the nth term, you can predict the 10th term, the 20th term, the 100th term. It's simple, really, this nth term stuff. Go look at the next couple of questions on the next video that I've modelled for you, and have a go and enjoy. Thank you to those people who are who've done the Hegarty Maths last time round, but that wasn't all of you. Normally you guys are pretty good at doing it, but the Hegarty Maths one task should be completed at the end of each session. Okay? See you on Wednesday.